Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for being here with me today. Today, we will practice easy daily life English with simple questions and answers. This will help you speak more naturally every day. Please listen carefully and speak with me. Let's start. How are you?
I am fine.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
How old are you?
I am an adult.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
What time is it now?
It is morning.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water now?
Yes, I do.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
What are you doing now?
I am practicing English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Is English easy for you?
Yes, it is easy.
Do you practice every day?
Yes, I do.
Are you learning alone?
Yes, I am.
Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
No, I do not.
Are you tired?
No, I am fine.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use a phone?
Yes, I do.
Is your phone nearby?
Yes, it is.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Are you listening now?
No, not now.
Do you go outside today?
Yes, I do.
Is the weather good?
Yes, it is.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is.
Is it raining now?
No, it is not.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I do.
Do you work today?
Yes, I do.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am.
Do you study daily?
Yes, I do.
Is today Monday?
Yes, it is.
Is today busy?
No, it is easy.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel good?
Yes, I feel good.
Are you calm now?
Yes, I am.
Do you smile often?
Yes, I do.
Are you relaxed?
Yes, I am.
Do you eat at home?
Yes, I do.
Is the food good?
Yes, it is.
Do you cook food?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you full now?
Yes, I am.
Do you wash hands?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do.
Do you wake up fresh?
Yes, I do.
Are you sleepy now?
No, I am not.
Do you rest daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel tired?
No, not much.
Do you like quiet?
Yes, I do.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is.
Do you clean daily?
Yes, I do.
Are you alone now?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel safe?
Yes, I do.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I do.
Do you walk daily?
Yes, I do.
Is walking good?
Yes, it is.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you drink water?
Yes, often.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 a.m.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is wash my face and brush my teeth.
Do you like mornings or nights?
I like mornings because the air feels fresh and calm.
How do you start your day?
I start my day with a positive thought and a glass of water.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat simple food like bread, eggs, or rice.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea because it makes me feel relaxed.
How do you go to work or study?
I usually go by walking or using local transport.
What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I do my daily work and prepare for the day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like light exercise because it keeps me active.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise a few times a week.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I work, study, or take some rest.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes fish or meat.
Do you take a nap during the day?
Sometimes I take a short nap when I feel tired.
How do you feel after lunch?
I feel relaxed and sometimes a little sleepy.
Do you like hot weather or cold weather?
I like cool weather because it feels comfortable.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay indoors and enjoy the sound of rain.
How do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time watching videos or reading.
Do you use social media every day?
Yes, I use social media to stay connected with others.
What is your favorite daily activity?
My favorite activity is learning something new.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, music helps me feel calm and happy.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and relaxing music.
Do you watch TV regularly?
I watch TV sometimes, not every day.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax and spend time with family.
Do you like talking with family members?
Yes, I enjoy talking with them after a long day.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I eat light food so I can sleep well.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Yes, but I try not to use it too much.
What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep around 10 or 11 p.m.
Do you sleep early or late?
I try to sleep early for good health.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 7 to 8 hours.
Do you dream at night?
Yes, sometimes I remember my dreams.
How do you feel when you wake up?
I feel fresh if I sleep well.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like simple cooking at home.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is homemade meals.
Do you eat outside often?
No, I prefer eating at home.
How often do you drink water?
I drink water many times a day.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for daily needs.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at local markets or nearby stores.
Do you like walking?
Yes, walking helps me relax my mind.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I rest for some time and drink water.
How do you relax at home?
I relax by sitting quietly or watching videos.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, reading helps me learn new things.
What kind of books do you like?
I like simple and motivational books.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, learning English makes me confident.
How do you practice English daily?
I practice by speaking, listening, and reading.
Do you talk to yourself in English?
Yes, it helps me improve my speaking.
What makes you happy every day?
Small progress and positive thoughts make me happy.
What makes you feel stressed?
Too much work sometimes makes me stressed.
How do you reduce stress?
I take deep breaths and stay calm.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, helping others makes me feel good.
What is one good habit you have?
I try to stay positive every day.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, planning helps me manage my time.
Do you forget things easily?
Sometimes, so I write important notes.
How do you remember tasks?
I use reminders on my phone.
Do you like quiet places?
Yes, quiet places help me think clearly.
Do you enjoy talking with friends?
Yes, talking with friends feels relaxing.
How often do you meet friends?
I meet them when we have free time.
Do you like spending time alone?
Yes, sometimes I enjoy being alone.
What do you do on weekends?
I rest and do things I enjoy.
Do you clean your room daily?
Yes, a clean room feels peaceful.
How do you keep your room clean?
I clean a little every day.
So, my dear friends, this is the end of today's practice. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time and practicing English with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you felt comfortable and confident while speaking. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need a little improvement every day. Practice slowly. Practice calmly. Even 5 minutes is enough. Small practice builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey. You are improving step by step. If you liked this practice, please keep learning with me. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.